According to Cognitive Market Research, the global automotive air-conditioned compressor market size is $8,512.2 million in 2023 and will expand at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 4.2% from 2023 to 2030. Market drivers: increasing adoption of air conditioners in passenger vehicles drives the market growth. Market restraints: high costs of compressors and their component management hamper market growth. Get to know about the competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more by requesting Sample Page's latest published market research copy.